Today, we will talk about how to use a fire extinguisher step by step. Let's have a look at the details. Knowing how to use a fire extinguisher could save your life in an emergency. The key to putting out a fire with an extinguisher is to use the pass strategy. Pull the pin, aim the hose, squeeze the lever, and sweep the hose. However, before you use a fire extinguisher to put out a fire, it's very important that you determine whether or not it's appropriate for you to be fighting the fire and whether or not you'll be able to put it out. If you don't think you can fight the fire, or if you have any doubts, evacuate the building immediately and call the fire department. The first step is reacting to a fire. Instruct someone to call the fire department or call them yourself. Evacuate everybody from the building first. Tell somebody to call the fire department or emergency services once that person is safely outside. Even if you're able to extinguish the fire on your own, it's best to have the fire department on the way in case something happens. Stand with your back to an exit. Before you use a fire extinguisher to put out a fire, it's important to take a couple of safety precautions. Locate the nearest exit and position yourself so your back is toward the exit. Move to the proper distance. Many fire extinguishers have a range of between 8 and 12 feet. Before discharging the extinguisher, move toward or away from the fire, so you're standing 6 to 8 feet away. You can move closer once you start dousing the fire and the flames die down. The second step is putting out a fire. Pull the pin. Every fire extinguisher has a pin inserted into the handle that prevents the fire extinguisher from being discharged by accident. Grab the ring and pull the pin out from the side of the handle. Aim the hose at the base of the fire. Point the hose directly at the base of the fire, because you have to put out the fuel that's burning. Squeeze the lever. To release the extinguishing agent, squeeze the two levers together with one hand, while you aim the hose at the base of the fire with the other. Sweep the hose from side to side to extinguish all the fuel. Slowly sweep the hose back and forth over the base of the fire as you discharge the extinguisher. Back away and repeat if the flames flare up. Leave immediately if you're unable to extinguish the fire. The average extinguisher will have enough agent inside to go for about 10 seconds. Replace or recharge your fire extinguisher as soon as possible. Some fire extinguishers are disposable, and these must be discarded once they're discharged. And the third step is using a fire extinguisher safely. Get everybody out first. Use a fire extinguisher for small, contained fires only. Evacuate a room that's filled with smoke. Use the right fire extinguisher. Fire extinguishers are loaded with different dousing agents to fight specific classes of fires. Before trying to put out a fire, make sure you know the fire fuel, and only proceed if you have the right type of fire extinguisher. Class A, suitable for cloth, wood, rubber, paper, various plastics, and regular combustible fires. The extinguishing agent is water or foam. Class B, suitable for gasoline, grease, and oil fires. The extinguishing agent is a dry chemical or carbon dioxide. Extinguishers smaller than 6 pounds (2.72 kilograms) are not recommended. Class C, suitable for energized electrical fires. The extinguishing agent is a dry chemical or carbon dioxide. Class D, suitable for combustible metals. The extinguishing agent is a dry powdered chemical. Class K, suitable for kitchen fires, including oil, grease, and fat. The extinguishing agent is a wet or dry chemical. Class ABC. This is an all-purpose fire extinguisher that works on Class A, B, and C fires. The extinguishing agent is a dry chemical. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.